Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the car designed for the average man, the Homer.
Any questions?
What does this monstrosity cost?
Jerry, what's the sticker price?
$82,000!
We'll let him keep going there. Let's take a look at the Homer 2014 new model. Think you could do that, Homer? I don't think so. He's got the low, he's kind of low to the ground. But let's have some fun and check him out. Nice job, Arachnarod. Here we go, the Homer. Everybody get ready to go. Dope! Oh, dope! Here we go, one more time for Homer. Come on, Homer. Yes! Fantastic. We'll sit you here because you're pretty to look at. Woohoo! Homer! Let's see, you should do better. You don't have to worry about the loop. Ready? Down! Let's try, Homer. Thank you for participating anyways.